Hey guys, Christian here. So we have this 2002 Toyota Camry with a loud noise coming from this area. Get a pry bar and put it against the metal so you can hear, where it's coming from. In this case, it's the water pump, so that's what we're gonna change. So there it is. The water pump is definitely the issue. Has grinding noise when you try to spin it. So to get to it, remove the alternator. You got a 10 at the top, the harness connector, and then on the bottom you're gonna have a 12. At the top you're gonna have a 13. I'm sorry, the top is a 14. These 4 bolts are 12s of the pulley for the water pump, and around the water pump you're gonna have number 10s. So that's pretty much it. Clean your area and put a new gasket, new water pump, put everything back together, and that's a wrap. All right guys, see you on the next one.